Hi everyone, it's Miss Sims here. This is going to be a short video that's going to show you what to do every time we get a new sketchbook assignment. Sketchbooks assignments are going to be on Google Slides instead of a video played by me. So watch these instructions, that way you know what to do, and then you can start working on your assignment for the day. So right here is the word sketchbook. That's how you know we're starting a sketchbook assignment for the week. This will say your grade level. For example, I'm using 5th grade here, so it says 5th grade and what pages 5th grade is working on this week. This may not be your grade level, that's okay, it's just an example. So 5th grade is working on the cover through page 4 today. That means the cover, page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4 of their sketchbook. The page numbers are on the very bottom right-hand corner and they have a circle going around them. So make sure you're doing the right page numbers, okay? Once you've read this information at the beginning, you can click anywhere on the screen and it will take you to the next slide. On the next slide, you will see a goal box and a yes box. The goal box is going to tell you what your goals for the week of this sketchbook are, and the yes box is going to tell you how you know you did it correctly. You will hear my voice automatically start when this slide goes, so you can hear me describe these things as well as you reading it. Once you've heard my voice and you've read it to yourself, then you can click anywhere on the screen to go to the next slide. Every slide after this is going to have two things. It's going to have one side that says the page number over here. For example, this one's a cover instead of a page number with some written directions. On this side, a video is going to automatically start like you already saw, and it's going to tell you exactly what to do, and you'll see me do the actual sketchbook page. So in this video, I'm opening up the sketchbook to the cover and I'm going to tell you what to do. Once this video is over, then you can do that page of your sketchbook. Once you've completed that page, click on the screen. Do not click on the video, but click anywhere else on the screen, and it will take you to the next page you need to work on for the day. So 5th grade needs to also work on page 1. It says page 1. It says some directions. The video automatically started, and you can watch the directions and complete your work. You'll keep going through and doing this for every page number that you need to complete for the day. Once you get to the end, you'll click and nothing else will happen. That means you're done. So we knew that 5th grade needed to end on page 4 today. Once you have finished everything, you can go back to your assignment and turn it in. Sometimes I might ask you to show me a picture of one of the pages that you did or something you're proud of in your sketchbook, or even answer a question. So make sure you read the assignment and it will tell you exactly what you need to turn in to get credit for working on your sketchbook. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have fun with our sketchbook project this week. I'll see you later. Bye.